boost. Some of them have boost clocks on them, some of them just listen to the engine. And you just get them up to the absolutely boost up as much as you possibly can on the engine, and then you just go for it. So you start with all your power on, there's nothing left, you just need to hope that power will take you as far as you can up to the track. A really nice pull. Did your best world that was this weekend, cracking pull. So now we're going to have Paul Young. Now this is another one of those tracks. So green lights, go on Paul, go on.